Summer heat is sometimes unbearable, and having ice cream is one way to quench it. Well, we have this Lakeland Compressor ice cream to meet your demands. The Lakeland Compressor ice cream makes it easy to use. No need to pre-freeze the bowl, as this ice cream maker has a built-in freezer. This ice cream maker will churn and stir to a creamy smooth consistency within an hour. Wow, that's awesome. It also makes gelato and sorbet and frozen yogurt, so you're gonna make your ice cream at the comfort of your house. Our Lakeland Compressor ice cream is here. And now today we're trying to make a vanilla ice cream. All you need to do is to have these ingredients. We have the milk. You're gonna need 1 cup of milk. And also you need sugar. Sugar you need 3/4 cup. Well, this ice cream, guys, is really delicious, and when it comes to consistency, well, it's perfect. Next ingredients is the 2 cups thick cream. And since this is a vanilla ice cream, we need the vanilla, of course. Now you're gonna beat this one to make the mixture even. And after beating this one, you're gonna put here in the bowl and start. And after 1 hour, you're gonna have your vanilla ice cream. See how that's easy? Product. Look at that. Look at the consistency of the ice cream. And now I will garnish it with Oreo crumbles. Delicious.